Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you whenever you are launching the Steam tools, purchasing or no license error. If you get this error, I give some steps one by one follow to this problem, fix it. Okay, don't waste our time. Let's go to the solution. First step, you can go to stop the Steam running in background. So we can go to the Windows search bar and type Task Manager. You can go to click to open the Task Manager and here type Steam by using the search bar. Just right click to end task. Click on the end task. If you related all apps removed from the task manager, if you did, you will come to back from task manager. Then we can go to try the next solution. The next solution, add DLL files in install the game files. So that file this. So this link, this file link provided in this video description. Just you will go to click to download that this file. Just right click to copy, then that file extract first, then you will go to copy, then you can go to click on the local disk C, then you can go to open the your navigate game folder, show you, then open the file explorer 86 and click on the Steam and the Steam apps, and we can go to throw the next folder for the common. Then here all game folder available, just what you need that folder, tap to open to paste that file. After that you will come to back, just I show you, select this file, then here go to paste, then come to back in the file exporter. After that we can go to try the next solution. The next solution, PowerShell. So we can go to Windows search bar and type PowerShell and right click to select the run as administrator. Then you can go to copy this command. This command I provided in this video description. Then you can go to paste in PowerShell. Just hit the enter. After that you will come to back in PowerShell. Then your problems will have solved. And if you have any doubt, go to the comment section and leave the comment. I will definitely reply to you. And don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.